Hello, everybody. I'm going to talk to you about education and the pillars of education. In fact, the ultimate aim of education is helping students reach their fullest potentials in all aspects of life. Each student has potential we can't imagine. Students will not reach their potentials unless two things became available. Number one, a good curriculum that keeps pace with the fast changes of information today. And number two, an effective teacher who teaches them not only knowledge and information, but also develop their life skills. These life skills help students care not only for themselves, but also for other people and the community they live in. So, what are these life skills of education? As you see, they are four: learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live together. Learning to know. Learning to know emphasizes on how the students learn and gain knowledge in a smart way. It means that to teach students how to create ideas, think critically, and solve problems. Therefore, learning to know is not simply acquiring knowledge, but processing information that is available today to create new ideas, separate facts from opinions, define the problems, and give solutions to them. Learning to do. Learning to do means students learn to apply what they have learned to their daily life. In this case, teachers are expected to encourage students to cooperate, work together to get things done, to reach agreements by negotiation, to make decisions or choices, to manage different tasks to produce something at the end. Teaching students these skills will make easier for them to develop their talents, a vision, and a vision of themselves. Learning to be. Learning to be focuses on the total development of the student personality in all aspects of life: body, mind, and spirit. Becoming aware of the student's personality, teachers are expected to help the students monitor their feelings in different situations, navigate changing circumstances successfully, and communicate effectively with others verbally and non-verbally. These skills, when developed in students, will contribute to make them feel responsible for their actions and to plan effectively for their life. Learning to live together focuses on developing values and skills in students to be a better member of the community. As responsible members, students should maintain understanding of each unique individual and respect individual differences. In this case, teachers are expected to develop in students a sense of belonging and understanding to others, and a desire of participation and influencing in social activities. At last, not least, our educational system is going to be guided with these life skills to guarantee quality education to students and to have a community whose members are fully developed in physical, mental, emotional, and social aspects. Thank you.